Yung kay Inday Sara, yung sa confidential fund niya, kung kunwari uncomfortable kayo doon, you felt that, kasi wala kaming tiwala kay Inday Sara, kasi ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Sa totoo lang sa akin, I am tolerant doon sa mga ganun. Hindi niya talaga feel si Inday Sara eh. Yung confidential fund, it's really it's really about the discretion of the person being given by the confidential fund. So, hindi talaga mawawala yung inyong discomfort kapag may hawak na pera ang isang public official in that kind of situation. So I can agree with that. And that could be a subject for debate na, kasi di namin pinagkakatiwalaan. Pasensya kayo, 32 million nagtiwala kay Inday. 'Di ba? At pagdating doon sa debating yon, okay lang yun. That's a legitimate topic. Hindi, kasi hindi kami natitiwala kasi ganito, ganito, ganyan, ganyan eh. But Inday Sara would still have a lot of remedies. Remedies that are available to the Lima, remedies that are available to the UP system, who, by the way, okay, which, by the way, ay meron pang 160 million per their COA audit report noong 2003. Wala pa silang 2024 audit, hindi pa lumalabas hanggang ngayon eh. Yun yung pinaka-recent nila. UP system has 160 million pesos unsettled, suspended and disallowed funds. Ba't hindi ka nag-iiyak ng ganyan? Bakit yung energy mo hindi katulad ng pang-energy na, this is really about consistency, Shelo Magno. You are not consistent. You're fooling the people. That is the problem.